Maqabane, after isikhathi eside man. Sometimes if you are a revolutionist, you have to take a break and analyze everything that is happening in the country under the earth. There's a lot that is happening. There's a lot that is happening. uComrade uNzuza, may his rest in peace. Amagwala ambulele abaphikisana nombuso womuntu omnyama. Abantu abathathe umphefumulo kaNzuza, abantu abasetshenziswa yilo mthetho ophikisana nomuntu omnyama ngokubuyisa izwe lakhe. Uzwe lakhe yilento esifunayo thina as umkhonto wesizwe. Kune campaign ke ezoqala ethi uzwe lakhe. Maqabane, ngifuna nje ukundlulisa lokhu. Isitha sizongena ngaphakathi kwethu ngoba isitha sesibonile ukuthi ukuzwana akukho. Isitha sesibonile ubuthakathaka ngaphakathi komkhonto wesizwe party. Isitha sigijima naso ngaphakathi kumkhonto wesizwe party. Isitha yimi nawe. Isitha yimi nawe ngaphakathi kweorganization eyodwa. Manje akukho lula ukudefeata lempi esibhekane nayo ngoba siyizitha thina on our own. Lento ngeke silungise, ngeke kube lula ukuthi silungise siyizitha thina ngobuthina. Ngoba uma ubona ovutha efuna ukudila ngesitha ngaphakathi, wena uphenduka uba yisitha sakhe. Uyabona sisenkingeni nje yokuthi sinabantu ayifuthi ke mina bese ngikhathele nokukhuluma. I once said ngeke ushintshe umuntu over 25 years. Ngoba umntwana makaqala ethi 21 years uba ne-choice yempilo yakhe afuna ukuyiphila emhlabeni. Manje ke kufike kube worse ngoba labantu esinabo la abantu mostly aba over 35 years, 30 to 35 to 50 to 65 years. Now ayikho into osazoyishintsha kulomuntu, uyilento ayiyo. Ayikho into esisazoyenza ngoba sihluleka ukurecognize abantu abafuna ukudila ngezinto eziright. Futhi ke nje mina into esengiyibonile, lento eadvocatewa ama-members amaningi omkhonto wesizwe la abayimini, akusibona. Ukusuke nje bafuna ukundlula to pass, ukuthi bacabanga ukuthi nina nicabanga ukuthi bayilento vele edinga isizwe kanti abasiyona. mabeloke beyikhuluma nje wathi hayi, let us fight for unity, let us fight for our land, let us fight to liberate the black child. Usuke nje funa indlela yokundlula. Unity, Mkhonto, unity, indlela yokundlula ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi uyilento vele eniyifunayo efuna nayisizwe. Umqondo-ke loyo wakagogo wasetshenziswa bakagogo ikakhulukazi makuthiwa free electricity, free water, free infrastructure, free water infrastructure, free education. Kwakukundlula kuthina ukuthi sicabanga ukuthi bayilento vele sidingayo. Iyazifanela-ke nawo wonke lamalunga akhona omkhonto akuma-position namhlanje alwa izimpi lezi izimpi thina esizikhiphe ngale kwagogo zasibuyisa ngapha kumkhonto. Sinabantu abasapota izimpi ze-ANC ne-DA ne-EFF nawo wonke lama-political parties ayefoma i-Save South Africa against upresident omkhonto. Okubonisayo-ke ukuthi sinenkinga ngaphakathi emkhontweni. Ngingenaphi ey'mpini zabantu abahlukumeze umuntu omnyama bamchithela ngaphandle, basala ba-advocate ilanguage yabelungu yokuthi bona they can be united with whites and deal with those black people who wants to take back their own land. Wena uyasuka uyosupporta e-legislator abantu obathole besey'mpini zabo bakuchithela ngaphandle wena because you were not agreeing with their things that they were doing against us as blacks. Uzilwa kanjani izimpi ze-ANC leyakuchithela ngaphandle besuthi you are in the revolution of bringing back the land and the better life of a black child? See, we are confused as members of Umkhonto. We are really confused. Mina, if I was part of the member of legislature, I was never going to participate on that meeting of voting for the premier to come back. It doesn't matter as a black person or a colored person or what. I was never going to participate. How can I participate in the party of Save South Africa that was planned with drug cartels, including the whites, monopoly capital, there today, Luisa, the very same ANC in the legislature in Gauteng? All those people, they were part of Save South Africa. When you are going to defend them, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. You rather hate me or like me, but my thinking is very, very independent. I'm an independent thinker. I will always say that. Mfokanzuza, siyabonga iqhaza odlalile emkhontweni. So nawe la ukhona. Nibazise-ke hostel ukuthi siyeza sizo campaign hard. Sizo campaign kakhulu. Siyeza sizogcwala ihostela. Bazilungiseleleke uma ukuthi vele i-aim yabo kusibulala sonke. Siyeza soza futhi nje hayi sogcwala ihostel. Akalalanga uphumula uMfokanzuza futhi-ke igazi lakhe yile lobuya isizwe. Siyeza siyogcwala ihostela kahle nje futhi kamhlophe. Kahle nje without any doubt, without any fear. Lesindlulisele nje umessage uthi siyeze hostel. Soza nje kahle nje hostel. The very same ANC esupportwe yithi eGauteng kwi-legislator to service ANC, yazi niyangihlekisa kuma-politics tu. Yiyo le ANC ebopha abantu lapha eNazareth, ethumela amaphoyisa ukuthi people they must be arrested. Ayi niyaziconfuse kwipolitiki shame. Niyayiconfuse kwipolitics. But ngiyazibuza nje ukuthi kahle kahle lama-politics eninawo emaphi. Ayi so icele evuthiwe lala ngoxolo Mfokanzuza liyobuyizwe konke wakulwela sokubuyisa sokuphethisa